iRand Water inxusa abantu baseGoli ukuba beqhubeke nokubekezela njengoba umthamo wamanzi usephansi kwezinye iziphehli osekuphothulwe ukulungiswa kwenqalasizinda kuzo.
Most of the work has been completed. The system is recovering. We understand, and it's understandable, that some areas will recover before the others, and some areas will recover later.
Lolu hlelo lokulungiswa kwenqalasizinda sedlulele ezindaweni ezakhele iGoli. Egruleni seliphothuliwe kwezinye izingxenye ezakhele iSwartkopies, kanti-ke bekunokukhathazeka ngokusebenza kwezimboni, kodwa umkhandlu dolobha uthi abezimboni balilungiselelwa lolu hlelo.
They'll be using the internal storage. We can't supply them with tankers. However, where they have their own tankers and need to refill from the system, we've got metered connections where we'll bill them for that storage as and when they need it.
Umkhandlu dolobha iTshwane uthina kuba lolu hlelo lingakaqali, kodwa zonke izinhlelo zokumelana nalo sezimi ngomumo.
We have not commenced with it, but we have put in place plans to deal with any contingencies that will be as a result of this initiative.